Zwelithini is introduced as a new partner at the depot. He then announces that there'll be a salary increase without talking to Jackson first. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on smoke and mirrors. So, Zwelithini can't wait. He hasn't even signed the contract yet, but then he's already at the offices demanding to be introduced to the workers at the depot. Right there and there. Jackson then goes to introduce him, announcing him as a new partner. And then Mfundisi Dlamini is not happy, saying that Zwelithini is a criminal. Abamfuni nje edepho. And then he gets a chance to speak, and he says that he knows he has a past, but nje he wants to reassure them that there's nothing that's going to change at the depot. He then announces that starting from next month, there'll be a salary increase. And the workers are very happy. Like something that they were paying Jackson to do and he refused. And he comes in from day one, he's already promising them a salary increment without talking to Jackson first. So Jackson is not happy. He even tells Jackson, you're going to have to return your sports car for us to afford these salary increments. Akasaqasukanga Jackson, because how can you do that to him? Such a big announcement without talking to him first. The workers are happy. They're already getting increments. And then Upechuna blames the workers. You guys betrayed him. He fought for you, but then you guys go back to work. Now he's unemployed. Magolide realizes Umamik actually wants his money and tells her to get off because he refused the proposal, but now that he has money already, so mbiza hubby, fiance, baby daddy. And then Mami gave this is not happening. Golide is not folding. She talks to Pechuna. Pechuna, this thing that you're doing is giving gold digger. You said Golide manje because he is a millionaire. She then asked her parents to call her parents over so that she can try and convince them to talk to Magolide, but they refuse. But this thing that you're trying to do is not going to work. So now I don't want to get involved. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.